Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Onix from Pokemon. We're going to be drawing this character in an S-shaped pattern. So let's move over to the right side and start with the head. I'm going to start with the upper eyelids. On the left side, we're going to draw an angled line coming down and in. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. On the inside of the eyelid, we're going to draw a short angled line going up and in. On the left side, we're going to tuck the eye underneath the eyelid. So on the left side, we're going to step in and draw almost like a half circle coming around and then in towards that corner. On the right side, the bridge of the nose is going to cover up part of the eye. So let's start up in this corner here, curve out, and then straight down. Now we're going to tuck that half circle underneath the eyelid and in behind the nose bridge. Starting on the inside, we're going to curve down, and then we're going to pull that up. At the top of the eyelid, we're going to draw two short lines coming down for the pupils. Let's draw on the left side of the nose bridge. Starting from this corner, we're going to curve down and then in. From this point, I'm going to draw a short angled line going up, leave a gap, and do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the profile edge of the head. From the side of the eye, we're going to draw an angled line going out. Now we're going to come down and in towards the cheek. Now we're going to go back out again. Out. Now we're going to angle down in towards the bottom of the mouth. Coming down. Now let's go straight across the middle. Now we're going to work our way back up the left side. From here we're going to go up and out. Come down with a short line. Now we're going to go back up again towards the jaw. Go out again, doing a hard turn. Now we're going to come down towards the corner of the jaw. From here, we're going to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting from the left, we're going to go up in an angle. Now we're going to go straight up the side of the head. Now we're going to work our way back in. So coming up and into the top of the head. Now we're going to go up, doing a hard turn, going up just above the left eye. Now we're going to overlap that large fin on top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to come down, angle up and over that line. Now we're going to go straight up towards the top of the fin. From here, let's slope this down towards the front of the fin. Now we're going to come straight down, aiming towards in between the eyes. Come down to right about there. Now we're going to draw the bottom side of the fin. Come out. Now we're going to curve, aiming towards that point, going about halfway. Now we're going to draw the front edge of the fin. From this corner, we're going to go up. Now from the top, we're going to step over and draw a line coming down. Let's finish off the side of the head. So in line with the left side, just beside the fin, we're going to come out and down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with an angled line. Let's draw on the lower part of the jaw. From this point, we're going to angle down. Now we're going to come across towards the chin. Let's go straight across with a short line. Now we're going to tuck this up in an angled line underneath the top of the mouth. Inside the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. So below this point at the bottom of the mouth, we're going to go up, curve this over, and then down. We're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's go in and draw in the lower part of the jaw. Starting from this point, we're going to angle down and in. We're just going to follow the mouth in underneath the top of the mouth. Coming down, go across. Now we're going to tuck this up with an angled line. From here, we want to add a few facets to the head. So from this point, I'm going to angle down with a short line. From this point, we're going to come in and we're going to angle it down, doing a hard turn. From the side of the head, we'll come down and we'll angle it up. Now that we've drawn the head, we're going to draw a series of stones stacked up against each other in an S-shaped pattern. So let's start with the one on top first. So from here, we're going to go up in an angle. Now we're just going to chisel the sides of the stones, going up. And we're almost like drawing a circle with these straight edged lines. And we'll just pull this back in towards the side of the head. Let's tuck one in behind. So up at the top, we're gonna go up just work our way back in. Straight line. Let's add a smaller one on the side. And then we'll add a larger one right here. Now we're going to start to bring the stones over towards the right side. So let's add another one in behind here. And then we'll just continue just below it. We'll add a few more. Now right here we're going to come down. Now right here is where we're going to start to turn it back over towards the left. So let's move this one over. And then start to add smaller ones along the end of the tail. We'll add a really tiny one in between here. And we'll add two slightly larger ones on the end toward the tip of the tail. Now that we've drawn the shape of the body, we're going to go back in and add the facets to each stone. Let's start with the first one. From this point, we're going to come down an angle and then go up and in behind the head. From these points, we can just pull some lines coming down in towards the center. Let's do the same thing up here. So we can change the direction of the facets. And then from the side, we're going to come down. Up here, we're going to sort of work our way back over. Coming down, over towards the left, we'll pull this one in. And as we get towards the bottom, we're going to start to reduce the number of facets. So I'm just going to pull a couple lines from some of the corners. One there, one on the bottom, and then one on the end. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Onix from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.